go to add an event, then system, and we were going to scroll down, and every x second. After choosing every x second, we are going to make, okay, before that I just want to show you back. Just close it out. I just want to show you that after we go to the layout, if we move the mouse just like beside, like at the end where the enemy will spawn, it is close to like 725, 720, right? So what do I want to do is the spawning area of the tank. So I just want to tell that, like, where we choose system, then every x second. After choosing every x second, we will make it 1 second. Yeah, done. And we're done with that too. Then then add in section over there, and then select system and choose create object. So we would spawn an object again and again. We don't have to spawn an object making thousands of same enemy. We are going to create an object so it copy pastes the same like the same enemy. So create an object, create object. Okay, click to choose. That is, choose the enemy. And okay, now as I told you, the choose the enemy, that set the value x, like I showed you the value of x, that should be 720 nearly, okay, 720. And the value of y should be random, like random to like 0 to 480, anything, but we would put 0 to 480. In fact, 0 to 480. Done and done. Okay, syntax error, it means I don't think so there's any syntax error. Why does it say the syntax error again and again? I have just, okay, wait, is it now fine? Okay, random, okay, fine, I just understand this. 480, done. And that's good. Now we are going to work on scoreboard. Now before that, let's check what's going to happen. What's fine. Okay, that's so good. So as you see, these enemies are spawning only from one direction, and we don't want that, right? So what are we going to do? What is like, we can do one thing. Go to we would, okay, then we would add a section. We have already done that, and then select the system. Okay, we have also done that, and we have also created an object. We have set the enemy, choose the enemy, then set the value. Okay, but before that, we have to set y to random. I have done that mistake. Y should be random, not only 480. It should be random. That is 0 to 480. Okay, 0 to 480, and done. As you see now, what would happen is, yeah, see, the tanks are spawning from any direction as we wanted, and that's good, right? And also the enemies is getting destroyed. Okay, that's so good, right? And that's so good. I just want to play this game again and again. And also, I don't understand why have I added this bullet. I thought that we have to add this bullet, and I'm just literally telling in all those videos. That's so silly, right? Oh, not closing the brush. No, cancel. Now, what are we going to do? We are going to do like make the scoreboard. Okay, so we are going to make the scoreboard. Go to the event sheet again, then sheet, and then right click over here, add a global variable. Okay, variable name should be score, and the variable name should be score, and I think so initial value is 0. Okay, everything is fine. It should be a number variable and the initial value should be 0. Okay, some invalid character here. There is no invalid character. Okay, fine. And now we have a global number score 0, and that's also fine. And we have to code this now. Go to the bullet player, then add a section, bullet, add an action, and then like we should go to the player's bullet. Then we have to add an action where choose system, where we have to choose the system, and then select add to. We have to select add to. Done. And value should be and to display score, like double click on the layout and then choose the text and then all those stuff. Okay, so score value raised to 1. Done. Now go to the layout, to the display the score double. Okay, click on the layout now and then choose the text. Where's the text? Double click over here and then you find the text. Okay, where's the text? Over here. Now rename it to score. Okay, this is kind of a little bit small, but yeah, we can rename it over here to score, and that's done. Now let's see if it works or not. The score global, done. And now let's see if it works or not. No, it's just telling the name as text. We don't want that. Let's try it again. Text to actually score. Done. Yeah, now it's score. Now let's again try. Done. That's what we wanted. Okay, and that's so good. Go back over here. Okay, now score. Then now we want the score and the number to be shown. So go. Okay, and okay, so what do we want to, like, I'm just very much confused a little bit because I'm just so nervous if this would work or not. And now we want, like, go to the event sheet, go to every tick, add an action, and select text over here. And then in the in the text we would we would search score, set text. Wait, we will just set text. Okay, we have set text over here. And we have some colons, and in between the colons we have to write it, and also score with score. Okay, there's a problem I think so here. Score, yeah, if you see that earth kind of symbol over here, so it should match with the global number score. Okay, then only it would work. And done. So let's see what would happen now. Let's see what will happen. Please God work. Wow, this is working. But before we could see score, but now we cannot see it, and we want to see it, right? How would we get to know what is this and why is this number getting raised or lowered? So